Hello guys, welcome to AK Virtual Math. This is question number 14, which is based on circle theorem. And in this question, one circle is given and these 5 points A, B, C, D and E lies on the circle, and these two lines AC and BD intersect at point X, and these two angles are given, angle ACD, this angle is 55 degree, and angle CXD, this is 88 degree. Now is asking here in part A, complete the statement giving a geometrical region in each part. So first thing, what is asking here, angle CDB, this angle. So how we'll get this angle? If you'll see this triangle CDX, so these two interior angles are known here, 55 and 88. So we can find out this. If suppose this is X, so sum of these three angles must be 180 degree. So X plus 55 plus 88, that will be add up to 180 degree. So X will be equal to 188 minus 55 plus 88. We have to subtract these two angles from 180. So you will be getting X is equal to what here, 180 minus here 143 degree. So therefore X will be equal to 180 minus 43, will be getting 37 degree. So we have to just subtract this and we'll get 37 degree. So X will be equal to 37 degree. So means the angle CDB will be 37 degree. What is reason? The angle sum of a triangle is 180 degree, or we can say the sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180 degree. That will be the reason. So we can write here, because the sum of interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. That, or we can write like this also, the angle CDB plus 55 plus 88 is equal to 180 degree. Now here in second is asking angle ABD, this angle. So what will be this angle? So if I'll join this line from here to here, so yes, if I'll join this from here to here, so these two angles, angle C and angle B, are in the same segment. So angle in the same segments are always equal. So if this is 55 degree, so angle B will be also 55 degree. So this will be also 55 degree. So we can write here angle ABD will be 55 degree. And what will be the reason here? Angle in the same segments are equal. So angle in the same segment that we can write here reason, angle in the same segment are equal. Now angle AED, so where is angle AED? So angle AED is this angle. How to find out this? So if I'll see this quadrilateral ACDE, this quadrilateral, this will be a cyclic quadrilateral, and in a cyclic quadrilateral opposite angles are equal, sum of opposite angles are 180 degree. So if suppose this is Y, so Y plus 55 will be 180 degree. So if you want to find out Y, so we'll just subtract it. We'll do it here. That is Y plus 55 will be equal to 180. So therefore Y will be equal to 180 minus 55. So if we'll subtract it, 180 minus 55, so what you will get? We'll be getting 125 degree. So means this angle AED will be 125 degree. What is reason here? either we can simply write like this: angle AED plus 55 is equal to 180 degree, or we can write in the sentence that the sum of the opposite angle of an interior sum of opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. So like this also we can write. Now here is the part B, in which it is given that triangle CXD is mathematically similar to triangle BXA, and in this triangle DX is 8 centimeter. So we can write this DX, that is 8 centimeter, and BX is 2.7 centimeter, and AX is 4 centimeter. So this is AX, which is 4 centimeter. Now work out the length CX. So these two triangles are mathematically similar, so the ratio of the corresponding side must be equal. So let's write down the ratio of the corresponding side. So first we have to identify what are the corresponding side. Like these two angles are equal, 55 55. So the opposite sides, like DX is similar to AX, and this angle 37 and this will be also 37 degree. So the opposite side CX will be similar to BX. So let's write the ratio of the corresponding side. So it will be like this here: CX upon BX, these are the two corresponding side, is equal to the DX upon AX. These are also two corresponding sides. So now if you want to find out CX, so CX will be equal to this BX will come here in multiplication. So DX upon AX into BX. Now let's substitute this given values. So CX will be equal to DX is given here, that is 8.0 upon AX. AX is 4.0. So this ratio is 2, and here we have BX. BX is 2.7. So finally what will we get? What we'll get here? 2 time, because here 4 2s are 8, so we'll get 2 and time 2.7, so we'll be getting 5.4 centimeter. So CX is 5.4 centimeter. So we have to write in the answer space that CX is equal to 5.4 centimeter. No need to write centimeter. Centimeter is already written here. Now see the second part, second question of the part B is asking complete the statement. So area of the triangle CXD is to area of the triangle BXA. So it's asking the ratio of the area of these two similar triangle. So we know that ratio of the area is equal to the square of the ratio of the side. So how do we write it here? We'll write like this: ratio of the area, suppose this area is A1, so and this area of triangle BXA is A2. So A1 upon A2 will be equal to the ratio of side, corresponding sides are x1 and x2, so we'll make it square. So ratio of the area of similar triangles are always equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding side, and we know that here ratio of the corresponding side, if you'll see here, this is twice, this is 4, so this is 8 here, so it is twice, so the ratio is 2. Ratio of the side is 2, so 2 square will be 4. So ratio of the area of these two triangle will be 1:4, 4:1, because this CXD is this big triangle, so here it will be 4 and this side will be, we can say 1, so 4:1. So we'll write it in the answer space. 4 will be written here and 1 will be here. So this is the ratio of the area of the triangle CXD and the area of the triangle BXA. Okay guys, I hope you understood.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.